ሰላም ሰላም ውድ ቤተሰቦች እንደምን አላችሁ? በዛሬው ዕለት በክፍል 62 176ኛውን ጥያቄ ይዤላችሁ ቀርብ ያለው ጥያቄውን ስሰራ የማሳያችሁ ይሆናል። አብራችን እንድትቆዩ ከወዲሁ ጋብዛለሁ። ከዛ በፊት ግን ስለ ቢክ አካዳሚ አፕቲቲዩድ ቴስት ዩቲዩብ ቻናል የተወሰነ ነገር ልበላችሁ። ይህ ቢክ አካዳሚ አፕቲቲዩድ ቴስት ዩቲዩብ ቻናል በብዛት የአፕቲቲዩድ ቴስት ጥያቄዎች የሚቀርቡበት ቻናል ነው። አፕቲቲዩድ ቴስት ጥያቄዎች ለምን ይጠቅማሉ ቢባል ደግሞ በብዛት ለስራ ውድድር ፈተና እንደዚሁም ለ12ኛ ክፍል ማትሪክ ፈተና ላይ የሚመጡ ጥያቄዎች ናቸው። ስራ ፈላጊዎች እና እንደዚሁም ተማሪዎች ከሆናችሁ እነዚህን ጥያቄዎች መስራት ማወቅ ብትችሉ በእርግጠኝነት ተጠቃሚ ትሆናላችሁ የሚል እምነት አለኝ። በመሆኑም ይህን ቻናል ሰብስክራይብ እያደረጋችሁ መማር ማወቅ ትችላላችሁ፣ የበለጠም ተጠቃሚ ትሆናላችሁ የሚል እምነት አለኝ። በዛሬው 176ኛውን ጥያቄ ስሰራ የማሳያችሁ ይሆናል። እስካሁን ድረስ 175 ጥያቄዎች በዚህ ቻናል ለመስራት ተችሏል። ወደኋላ ሄዳችሁ በየፓርት በቪዲዮ ተዘጋጅቶላችኋል፣ ተመልሳችሁ ማየት ትችላላችሁ። ወደፊትም በየሳምንቱ በተቻለ መጠን ጥያቄዎችን ከነመልሶቻቸው አቅርብላችኋለሁ፣ መከታተል ትችላላችሁ። Question number 176. A is greater than B by 2 and B is greater than C by 10. If A plus B plus C is equal to 130, then in a bracket B plus C minus A is how much? A 34, B 38, C 42, D 44. Now you are given these informations, and from these informations you are required to find out the value of this equation B plus C in a bracket minus A. But before that, or to calculate this value, you have to find out the value of A, B, and C. For a while, try to pause this video and try to search the correct answer for this question. Okay, I hope you get the answer for this question. Now, let me show you the steps to get the value of this equation. There is an information, or the first information here is A is greater than B by 2. And this can be converted into mathematical equation as A is equal to B plus 2. And again, there is another information which says that B is greater than C by 10. And this can be converted into mathematical equation as B is equal to C plus 10. Now you have A is equal to B plus 2, and again B is equal to C plus 10. And again you can express A in terms of C. Since B is equal to C plus 10, you can substitute the value of B, which says that C plus 10. Here you have the value of B, C plus 10. And you can substitute this here in place of B. And you can have the value of A, which is equal to C plus 10 plus 2. And A is equal to C plus 12. Again, on the question, there is a third information which says that A plus B plus C is equal to 130. Now you have expressed A in terms of C as A is equal to C plus 12. And again, you have expressed B in terms of C as B is equal to C plus 10. Now substitute the value of A, which says that C plus 12 on this equation. And again, substitute the value of B, which says that B is equal to C plus 10 in place of B here. Now you can rewrite a plus b plus c is equal to 130 as such. C plus 12 plus c plus 10 plus c is equal to 130. Now collect like terms. You have 3c plus 22, which is equal to 130. And again, you can shift 22 to the other side, and 3c is equal to 130 minus 22, or 3c is equal to 108. Again, divide both sides by 3. You get the value of c, and c is equal to 36. Now you get the value of c. If you get the value of c, it is easy to get the value of a, because a means c plus 12. And again, it is easy to calculate out the value of b, because b means c plus 10. Now first, let's find the value of a. A means c plus 12. Since the value of c is 36, a is equal to 36 plus 12. And a is equal to 48. Again, you can find out the value of b. B means c plus 10, and c means 36. So b is equal to 36 plus 10, which is equal to 46. Now we get the values of a, b, and c. Now it is again very easy to calculate out the value of the given equation, b plus c minus a. Then is b plus c in a bracket minus a. Now substitute the values of b, c, and a in their respective places. In a bracket, 46 plus 36 minus 48. Now 46 plus 36 means first you have to perform operations in a bracket. So you get 82 minus 48. And your answer for the given equation is 34. So your answer for this equation, for this question, is choice A. Okay, this is all about for today. As usual, subscribe this channel to get more aptitude test questions that I will present to you in a weekly basis. These questions, that means aptitude questions, are very important, especially for graduates who are searching for a job, because aptitude questions will appear in any type of vacancy examinations, especially in banking and financial institutions. These questions will frequently appear. And again, it is important for students, as aptitude questions will appear in matric or grade 12 examinations. So if you are a student, and again, if you are a graduate who is searching for a job, this channel may benefit you, and you have to be a member of this channel.